This water boiling on the stove has particles moving so fast that they are evaporating into the air. We can see this evaporation happening as we look at all the steam coming out of the pot. This is an example of evaporation. Evaporation is happening all over the world, although instead of water being heated by a stove, it is being heated by the sun. Water that is not boiling doesn't evaporate as quickly, but it is still evaporating, just at a slower rate. Water evaporates, it turns into steam. We see this steam in forms such as clouds in the sky. When water gets cold, it condensates. We can see condensed water as dew on the grass in the morning. We can also see this happen with our pot of boiling water. Put a cup over the steam. Do you see the water droplets? That is condensation. Water boils and we can see evaporation in the steam and the condensation in the water that collects as it cools. We made our own cloud. All of this evaporation and condensation happens all over the world all the time. And it is called the water cycle. Here you can see several terms that we've talked about today. Evaporation is happening in several places such as the ocean and lakes. The steam collects into clouds. As the water cools, it condenses through a process called condensation. One thing we have not yet mentioned is precipitation. As the water in the cloud continues to cool and condense, it begins to get so heavy that it falls back down to the earth. That's precipitation. We can see precipitation happening here, where it is raining in the water cycle. This is how water makes it back onto Earth from the sky. The sun then heats it, it evaporates again, and the cycle continues.